What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will be doing a lot of this and a lot of that. So stay tuned, let's get started. So I'm not gonna say too much about today, I'm already behind on this. So we are working on the trailer and hopefully finishing it off. We've got our steel, we've got our stuff, let's do it. Okay guys, so just a little bit of an update, and basically I'm almost finished with the front side. It looks amazing. So I like you guys' opinion. I want to do a mountain man logo here in the front. Should I do it here or should I do it on the sides rather? Anyways, comment down below what you guys would think looks nice. So I still have to cut this plate to size to fit it, weld it in, cut these two plates on both sides, and I'm still contemplating leaving this gap over there just open as it is. I still have to weld one more plate there at the top, and that should be most of the sheet metal done by then. There's a ton of welding left after this. I'll do it all off camera, And then to finish it off nicely, I'm just gonna put some Sikaflex or something on the edges on the front before we start painting this bad boy, which should be in the next video. And after this has been painted, we can lower this bad boy onto it for keeps. I'm also planning to just panel bond or Sikaflex that on, so it will never come off and it will be screwed down obviously. So let's get started on day 2 of sheet metal work. Okay guys, so I'm done with the front for now. Like I said, off camera, I will fully weld it, or maybe even get in my buddy to weld it for me. He is a pro after all. So guys, this turned out amazing. It's so difficult to put this on the camera. It's so difficult to put in perspective. This thing is just crazy. Obviously my gas struts are just not coping. They're very small, but that will be the spare wheel holder and it just looks so nice. So I've got an angle on here to make it overlap, and then I can put a seal on. That just sounds amazing. And so next is I'm gonna put a piece of plate that is gonna be not synced in as the rest. It's gonna be on top, and this is basically an area that I wanted to do something. I'm still gonna do something. I'm still just thinking about it. So I just want to close off this area so we can paint this whole section and then put the tent down on top of this permanently. That will be done then. On another note, I still need to lift this whole trailer up, put it up like that, and then paint the whole underside with rubberizing, which it's either going to be fantastic or it's going to be an epic fail. So we'll do that also in the next video. I will probably start with that and then paint the rest, because if I pick it up it might get damaged. Okay guys, so we are officially done with all the sheet metal work that's going and needed to be welded onto the trailer chassis itself for it to be completed. And I must say, yeah, I really do like the look of this, especially this front. This front just looks mean. So in the next video, like I said, we will be rubberizing the underside of this, and we will also be painting the top side. We won't be painting all of it yet, but we will be painting the top so we can lower the tent on and test this baby out. I still need to make the other doors for the other side, and here I'm doing something very special, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Talking about that, guys, this takes a lot of days to make just a 10-15 minute video. So if you do think I'm worth it, please hit that subscribe button down below and also give it the thumbs up button. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Keep safe. Cheers.